Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 12 Plus, and let me show you how to enable night mode or a comfort mode. So first of all, let's begin with some customization, and in order to do that, simply open the list of apps and enter the settings. And now let's scroll to the display option. Here on the third position we've got night light, so let's tap on it in order to enter, and now it is obviously off. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switch right here. And as you can see, the screen turns yellowish. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, we can change the intensity of that feature. It's really up to you how you want to set it. Just do it by swiping right here. I will leave it like this, and we can schedule it. So now it is not scheduled, but we can turn it on at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So let me pick, for example, custom time, and here we've got the start time. So let's pick, for example, maybe 8, and let's find the end time, and it will be at 4, for example. Let's click on OK, and from now on this mode will be automatically turned on and off. But let me turn it off, and actually this is it. This is how to customize this mode. If you want to have much faster access to this feature, simply unroll the top bar and let's go to the right. As you can see here, we've got the night light icon, so now it is obviously on. In order to turn it off, just tap on it. And as you can see, the screen got back to its normal state. So that's all. This is how to enable the night light in your HTC Desire 12 Plus. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.